In this video, we are going to fix a Windows Update error 0x80073701 in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that in order to fix the problem is that you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. How we can do that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is called the system. Click on here. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down, proceed to troubleshoot, click on it. And under the troubleshoot, you'll see there are other troubleshooters. Afterwards, you can find Windows Update. Please click on one corresponding to it. So once you have run the troubleshooter, your problem will be fixed, okay? So it might take 2 to 3 minutes. Please be patient, wait until it will be done, and once you are done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second solution. The next solution that you need to do is that you need to run this code. Okay, run this list of commands. Okay, so please copy this code at the YouTube description. I'll be including it there. Okay, once you have copied it, please paste it here at the notepad. Then click on File, click on Saved As, and then here you need to name that into WU, then named it fixed.bat. Make sure that you have add an extension for that bot and then select desktop as your location. Please click on saved and then you need to close this window and then here you need to make a right click and click on run as administrator. So once you have clicked on run as administrator, please wait until this process would be finished and once you are done, restart your computer and once you have restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.